So hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. And I came home, you guys, to my Amazon packets that I'm going to be showing you guys what I got. So on my last vlog, I went to Home Goods because I wanted to get like this one salt container, like a small salt container, because I didn't have one. And I couldn't find it at Home Goods. I tried Target. Yeah, it wasn't it. So this is what I ended up getting from Amazon that I am obsessed with. But the thing is that it comes two in a packet and not one. It comes with a salt and pepper container. So this would be the pepper container, and then this would be the salt container, you guys. So it's basically like this. It's really cute. But the reason why I wanted to get something like this is because I bought a similar container at Target, and that's why I wanted to like match them up, but that was impossible because the time that I bought the sugar one, it just had the sugar container. It didn't, like, I didn't see the salt one. So this is really cute, and I'm just gonna keep it outside, like where I cook, because I have been relying on the big jar one, like the pink salt one that you get, the pink salt one that you get from Costco. And then this is the one that I was talking about. See, this is the one that I got from Target. It's obviously a lot bigger, and then this one's a lot smaller, but it kind of matches, right? I mean, the tones are there. Like this one's more like of a stone color, and then this one's a white one. So yeah, I'm just gonna be using these two and then just keep them outside. So I obviously have to wash both of these, you guys, and then just keep them like that. But one thing I did notice, it doesn't have that little rubber band thing around it, because with the sugar one, it has this little plastic thing that keeps it like sucked in, or like it's a tight lid. And this one's a very loose lid, so I have to be really careful with it because it's gonna spill all over the place. So the other thing that I got from Amazon are some false lash clusters. These are not like the ones I've been buying before. Those are more natural. Now these are more thick and dense, and they curl up even more. So I'm gonna try or attempt to do that tonight. Hopefully the girls leave me. Right now they're watching TV. That's why they're all like calm, cool, and collected. But it comes with a tweezer, and it also comes with the lash glue. But my girls were playing with it, so I don't even know where it's at the moment. So I'm just gonna look for that. And then last but not least, you guys, I got some long sleeve shirts. So it comes 4 in a packet. This was like $39.99, I think. So it comes with a black one, a brown one, and a white one, and a green one. The green one, I already used it, so yeah, I am obsessed because these are like the basic everyday colors that you can literally like dress up or dress down. So yeah, that is my mini haul. But anyways, I'm gonna get to cooking because Hera's hungry, I'm hungry, so I'm gonna make some tortas right now. I already fried the beans, and I'm gonna start cooking everything else. My husband's getting a little sick, you guys, so I have to like baby him right now because he feels sick. This is what he got at the Mexican store. So these are some Mexican teleras for tortas, you guys, and I'm hungry. The girls already ate, but I'm hungry. So I also got some queso fresco. I got some crema. And we got some lettuce. And then obviously the meat. Obviously the meat, you guys. So yeah, I'm going to start doing that right now because he is hungry. And we're all hungry because I'm about to give him like some Advil or something, because he went to... What is it? Shooting range, Hera? What? So yesterday he went airsofting with my brother and all of my cousins and like a bunch of his friends. And I don't know what it was, but my brother got sick. Like he woke up sick today. He has a fever. He called in. And then my husband, literally like 30 minutes before coming home, he's all like, Sandra, I got the chills. And I'm like, oh my God, don't tell me like you have the same thing that my brother has. So basically, they caught something and they're sick. So I feel so bad for them, but I don't know. There's something in the air, you guys. Like everybody's getting sick. I'm still sick. I still have that dry, annoying cough at night that literally attacks me every night. Like it's always at nighttime. It's not throughout the day. It's just at nighttime. And yeah, this would be like the fourth night going into that I haven't slept well. So yeah, that sucks, you guys. But anyways, I'm gonna get to cooking because like I said, they're hungry and we're hungry. So it's the next day and we are here at Costco because we're gonna go grocery shopping because we don't have a lot of things at the house. Come on, Ellie. ¿Qué vas a sacar? I'm trying to do this with one hand. It's almost near impossible, but it's possible. Oy, oy. Going to right now. Okay, that's it. All right, I'll see you guys inside Costco. My bag. You forgot your bag? Okay, we'll get it when.
Don't worry about it. You don't need it right now.
Yeah, right now you don't need it. You didn't bring a sweater out, Hennessy's?
No. It's okay, I didn't.
Okay.
Guys, doing up to half off free on parking.
So I just came home, you guys, from Costco, and I'm going to show you guys what I bought at Costco. So to begin with, I got the Crest 3D White toothpaste. I got 2 of these Amara yogurt smoothie melts right here because these are my girls' favorites. And they were $3 off. What, Mama? Okay, I have to put my hair down, you guys, because my hair was just not cooperating with me and I don't feel like it looked good. But anyways, I got some trail mix. This is the Wild Roots. It's the Coastal Berry. It comes with almonds, cashews, cranberries, yogurt chips, and blueberries. Basically, I got it for the yogurt chips because yeah, anything that involves like chocolates or yogurt, oh my god, I'm all for it. And then I got the same thing as always, which are some strawberries for the girls. We also got some cherries, some tomatoes, and this was a new thing that I saw at Costco. It's the organic soft baked bars. And I think this was like $15 or $14. I don't know, but it comes 20 in a pack. And then these are like, so these are Eliana's and Hennessy's snacks. We also got some toothbrushes. Oops. And I also got some Fuji apples. Now, I went to Target and I had to get some stuff there too. So these are Eliana's toys that were in the car. So those are Eliana's toys that were in the car. But at Target, I got some cold foam creamer. I got some oat milk. And the whole reason why I went to Target is because I needed a hand mixer. This was, I think, $14.99 because I saw one that was like $50 and because I saw one that was like $100 or a $50 one, and I'm like, yeah, I can't afford that right now. And I also got some individual goldfish bags for girls because I'm gonna be just prepping their little snack bar. And that is it, you guys. But anyways, I'm gonna get to cleaning my house because my house is like a legit complete mess. Guys, so good morning, guys. Let me turn off my gospel music. I pray. I confess. Good morning, guys. It's Sunday morning. I bought this trash can that I showed you guys the other day from Costco. Here, I'll show you guys again. So I bought this trash can from Costco because it had like $20 off, which is amazing. Yeah, I'm just about to open it right now because I want to take that. I want to remove all of that. It's a whole different situation that I'm trying to go to. And I'm going to replace one of the trash cans for that one that I bought. And then the other one, the second one, that's where we like recycle all of our plastic water bottles. But I think I'm just going to change that to something else because it doesn't look cute at all. Like, that's how you know that you're getting old, you guys. Home decor pretty much excites me. Is this trash can? Look, do you like the new trash can?
Ellie!
Yeah? I don't know. You're gonna have to step on it. Hey, where are your pantuflas? No. And this is how it looks like.